Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is going to be how to crochet a granny square. Okay, so if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please feel free to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't get missed out on any tutorial. Let's go straight to the tutorial, guys. So we're going to start by making a slip knot. After that, we're going to make a chain of 3. Once you have a chain of 3, make a slip stitch on the chain that is closest to the slip knot. Okay, after that you're going to chain 3 and this counts as a double crochet. Go into that space, the little circle, and make 2 more double crochets, making it a total of 3 double crochets. And after that you chain 1 in that little space again, make 3 double crochets. This is 1, 2 and 3. After this you're going to chain up 1 and repeat that 2 more times. So 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1. Now skip 2 chains and make a slip stitch on the 3rd chain. So this is the end of the first round and this is what it looks like. For the second round, turn and make a slip stitch in that chain 1 space. After that, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Make 2 more double crochets in that same space, making it a total of 3 double crochets. Now go over to the next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochets. Chain 1, 3 double crochets. In the next chain 1 space, repeat that again. 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. So you are going to repeat the same thing in the other chain 1. I think we have 1 left before we get to the end of the round rather. Now we are here at the end of the round. We are going to make 3 double crochets in that space to complete this corner. Okay, so chain 1, skip 2 chains, make a slip stitch on the 3rd chain, and that is the end of the second round, and this is what it looks like. For the 3rd round, turn and make a slip stitch, chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and make 2 more double crochets in that same space. In the next space, make 3 double crochets, and in the next corner, which is a chain 1 space, make 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. So in the spaces where you don't have a chain, make 3 double crochets only. Where you have a chain, make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochets, because that is your corner. I'll meet you at the end of the round to show you what to do next. I'm here at the end of the 3rd round and this is what it looks like. I'm going to chain 1, insert my hook on the 3rd chain, then introduce a new color. This is not necessary for everybody, but just in case you want to add a new color to your granny square and you don't know how to, this is how you do it. Okay, so tie a knot twice to secure the connection. So for the next round, turn just like other ones. Make a slip stitch in that chain 1 space and chain up 3. Make 2 more double crochets, making it a total of 3 double crochets. Just like every other one, it's actually the same too. Okay, so after that, going to the next space. Right now on the 4th round, we have 2 spaces, so 3 double crochets in each of them, and in the corner you make 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets. So in case if you want to keep going. For the fifth round, there's going to be three spaces before the each corner. Okay, the sixth one is there's going to be four spaces before the corner, so it's going to be increasing like that. Okay, so it's going to be increasing like that. I'll meet you at the end of the round to show you what to do next. So guys, I'm here at the end of the fourth round. I'll chain one and make a slip stitch on the third chain. Okay, after that I'll chain one again and tighten. So this is where we are stopping for in this tutorial. This is where we are stopping. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.